From the whisper quiet SCAR H to the brutal firepower of the GMV Humvee, these are the tools that turn Green Berets into the world's most versatile operators. We start our arsenal with rifles and carbines. The M4A1 SOPMOD Block 2 is the modular workhorse. Covered in rails and customized to each operator's mission profile, this carbine is the foundation of special operations firepower across every theater. The HK416 is a piston-driven powerhouse. While primarily fielded by Tier 1 units, some Green Beret teams have access to this rifle for specialized missions, where its cleaner operation provides advantages over direct impingement systems. FN SCAR L, the light fighter. Designed specifically for special operations, it chambers 5.56 and offers exceptional modularity, allowing quick barrel changes for different mission profiles without a single tool. FN SCAR H, the heavy hitter. Chambered in 7.62 NATO, this beast delivers devastating stopping power at range while staying controllable. Green Berets value it for mountain warfare and vehicle interdiction. MK18 CQBR, the room cleaner. With its ultra-short barrel, this compact carbine was built for close-quarters battle in narrow Afghan compounds and tight jungle corridors where every inch matters. MK17, the SCAR H's tactical cousin. Essentially, a refined SCAR H optimized for special operations with enhanced accuracy and a free-floating barrel for precision work at extended ranges. M14 EBR, the old dog with new tricks. This updated battle rifle brings modern rails and stocks to the classic 7.62 platform, giving Green Berets serious reach for designated marksman work. SIG MCX, the specialized carbine. Available for select missions, its short-stroke piston system and folding stock make it adaptable, running everything from subsonic 300 blackout to supersonic 5.56 with a simple barrel swap. If you are fascinated by military gear and want to see more complete arsenals like this, make sure to subscribe to Loadout Archive. We break down every weapon system used by the world's most elite forces. Moving on to submachine guns. The MP7A1, an armor-piercing pocket rocket. This German engineering marvel fires armor-penetrating 4.6mm rounds that slice through body armor and vehicle glass, while remaining small enough to carry under a jacket. The MP5SD, the ghost gun. With its integrated suppressor, this is the gold standard for silent entries, where the mission depends on absolute stealth and surgical precision in hostile territory. The Uzi, the proven compact. Available for specialized roles in vehicle security details, this Israeli classic remains in the arsenal when compact reliability and simple mechanics are prioritized over modern features. Continuing with pistols, SIG P320, the modular sidearm. Its ability to swap frames and calibers makes it perfect for special operations, where one operator might need a compact 9mm today and a full-size 45 caliber tomorrow. Glock 19. The universal favorite. This mid-size 9mm hits the sweet spot of capacity, concealability, and reliability, making it the go-to choice for both primary and backup roles worldwide. Glock 17, the full-size fighter. When maximum capacity is critical, this 17-round workhorse provides the firepower needed for extended engagements without the bulk of a rifle. Glock 26, the deep cover companion. Small enough to disappear completely under local clothing, this baby Glock is essential for undercover operations in denied areas where blending in saves lives. SIG P226, the proven warrior. Decades of special operations use have made this the most trusted combat sidearm, famous for eating dirt and salt water without missing a beat. HK45, compact tactical. The 45 specialist, when stopping power is the priority and suppressor compatibility is essential. This robust HK delivers heavy caliber performance in a manageable package. M1911A1, the legend. A century of combat proves its worth. Many Green Berets still carry this 45 caliber icon for close range work, where one shot needs to end the fight immediately. Moving on to sniper and precision rifles. MK12 Mod 1 SPR, the special purpose rifle. This 5.56 designated marksman weapon extends the effective range of the rifle squad, while maintaining ammunition commonality with the team's carbines. M110 SAS. The semi-automatic sniper system. This 7.62 precision rifle allows snipers to engage multiple targets rapidly, or provide sustained accurate fire to protect a moving assault force in contact. Mk13 Mod 7. The surgical instrument. Chambered in .300 Winchester Magnum, this bolt-action precision rifle delivers devastating accuracy at extreme ranges for taking out high-value targets. Berets M107. The long-range hammer. This 50 caliber monster is not just for people. It is for destroying vehicle engines, communications equipment, and enemy material from over a mile away. Macmillan TAC 338. The gap filler. Bridging the space between 7.62 and 50 caliber. This 338 Lapua Magnum rifle delivers incredible energy on target with superior ballistics for mountain warfare. Berets MR8. The multi-role adaptable design. Operators can swap between 308, 300 Norma, and 338 Lapua in the field, making this the most versatile long-range platform in the inventory. KAC-SR25, the precision autoloader. This semi-automatic 7.62 rifle combines match-grade accuracy with rapid follow-up shots, perfect for Overwatch positions covering team movements. Moving on to machine guns. The M249 SAW, the squad automatic weapon, uses the same magazines as the team's rifles or belt-fed ammunition. This light machine gun provides suppressive fire to keep the enemy's heads down. The M240B, the belt-fed beast, is a 7.62mm machine gun that is absolutely legendary for reliability, serving as the primary sustained fire weapon on vehicles and at patrol bases throughout special operations. The Mk46 Mod 1 is a lightweight killer, purpose-built for special operations. This modified M249 sheds weight while maintaining devastating firepower, allowing a single operator to stay mobile while laying down serious hate. The Mk48 Mod 1 is the 7.62mm portable machine gun. It takes the Mk46 concept and chambers it in 7.62mm NATO, giving small teams heavy machine gun capability without the weight penalty of traditional crew-served weapons. M2 50 caliber. The legendary Meuse. Since World War II, this heavy machine gun has been shredding enemy positions, vehicles, and light aircraft from vehicle mounts and defensive positions worldwide. The M134 minigun. The bullet hose. When mounted on helicopters or ground mobility vehicles, this 6-barreled electric Gatling gun absolutely saturates target areas with up to 6,000 rounds per minute. Continuing with shotguns. Remington 870 NMCS. The modular combat shotgun. With interchangeable barrels and stocks, this pump action can switch from breaching configuration to combat setup in seconds, for maximum mission flexibility. Benelli M4, the semi-auto powerhouse. Its gas-operated system allows rapid follow-up shots while maintaining the devastating close-range punch that makes shotguns essential for room clearing. Mossberg 500, the reliable workhorse. Whether it is breaching doors, firing less lethal munitions, or engaging threats at close range, this pump action gets the job done without complaint. Moving on to grenade and rocket launchers. M320, the standalone grenade launcher. This modern 40mm system can be mounted under a rifle or used independently, featuring a side-loading breech for faster reloads under fire. M203, the classic underbarrel. Turning a standard rifle into a dual-threat weapon, this 40mm launcher puts high explosives at the operator's fingertips for immediate area effect. Mk19, the automatic grenade launcher. Firing 40mm grenades at a blistering rate from vehicles and defensive positions, this weapon turns any enemy position into a smoking crater. Mk47 Striker, the smart weapon. With its advanced fire control system and airburst capability, it can detonate rounds behind cover, making enemy concealment meaningless. M32 MGL, the 6-shot revolver. This South African design allows a single operator to put half a dozen 40mm rounds downrange in rapid succession, saturating a target area with overwhelming firepower. Next up, anti-tank and heavy weapons. The M72 Law, the disposable rocket. Lightweight and single-use, this anti-armor weapon gives every operator the ability to defeat light vehicles and fortifications when the mission goes sideways. The AT-4, the serious armor breaker. This 84mm rocket destroys main battle tanks and reinforced bunkers with a single shot. The empty tube is then discarded for another mission. Carl Gustav M4, the reusable recoilless rifle. The ultimate versatility weapon fires everything from anti-tank rounds to illumination, smoke, and anti-personnel munitions for any tactical situation. FGM-148 Javelin, the fire and forget killer. This infrared-guided missile climbs high before diving down onto tank turrets where armor is weakest, achieving kills beyond 2,000 meters. SMAW, the shoulder-launched multi-purpose assault weapon. Originally developed for the Marines, this system is available to Special Forces teams when missions require devastating bunker-busting power with a spotting rifle for ranging. Next, support weapons and equipment. The M224 60mm mortar is the portable artillery. This lightweight mortar provides indirect fire support for small teams operating in remote areas where traditional artillery cannot reach. The M252 81mm mortar is the base defense weapon, heavier but more powerful. This mortar system defends patrol bases and fire support positions with devastating high explosive and illumination rounds. The M120 120mm mortar is the heavy hitter. Typically vehicle-mounted, this massive mortar reaches out over 7 kilometers to deliver crushing firepower wherever Green Berets need it most. Moving on to specialized vehicles. GMV Ground Mobility Vehicle, the armed Humvee. Stripped down for speed and loaded with heavy weapons, including the M250 caliber machine gun, the MK19 grenade launcher, and M240 machine guns. This is the Green Berets Cavalry Charge, MRZR Ultralight Combat Vehicle, the Silent Infiltrator. This electric-capable tactical vehicle moves teams quietly through hostile territory, with weapons mounts and gear racks for rapid insertion. Polaris MRZR-4, the 4-seat variant. Carrying a full fire team with mounted weapons, this compact vehicle navigates terrain where full-size trucks would get stuck or be spotted. Daegor Light Strike Vehicle, the AR-droppable warrior. Purpose-built for special operations, it is small enough to fit inside a V-22 Osprey, yet powerful enough to mount crew-served weapons and carry a full team. MATV, the mine-resistant option. When operations require additional protection, this V-shaped hull platform is available to teams, offering defense against improvised explosive devices and ambushes while mounting crew-served weapons. Continuing with demolitions and breaching. Explosive cutting charges, the door openers. When locks will not cooperate and time is critical, these shaped charges slice through steel and concrete, creating instant entry points. Detonation cord is a versatile explosive. It serves hundreds of purposes, from cutting through obstacles to linking multiple charges for simultaneous detonation in complex breaching operations. C4 plastic explosive, the moldable powerhouse. This stable, powerful explosive can be shaped to cut, blast, or demolish virtually any target, making it the demolitions expert's best friend. Breaching shotgun rounds, the hinge destroyers. Specialized frangible slugs blow hinges and locks apart without over-penetrating, allowing rapid forced entry while minimizing collateral damage to hostages. M57 firing device, the Clacker. This handheld electrical firing device gives demolitions experts positive control over charge detonation, essential for precision breaching and demolitions work. Next up, communications and electronics. ANPRC-152 radio, the tactical communicator. This multiband radio allows encrypted communications across VHF, UHF, and SATCOM bands, keeping teams connected in the most remote locations. ANPRC-148 MBITR, the squad radio. Compact and reliable, this multiband interteam radio provides secure short-range communications between team members during operations. SOFLAM Special Operations Laser Marker, the precision strike tool. This laser designator illuminates targets for laser-guided bombs and missiles, bringing devastating air power exactly where Green Berets need it. ANPVS-15, night vision goggles, the darkness advantage. These dual-tube night observation devices provide superior depth perception for navigating hostile terrain and for engaging targets in total darkness. ANPVS-14 monocular night vision, the versatile option. Mountable on rifles or worn on helmets, this single-tube system maintains peripheral vision while illuminating the battlefield. GPNVG-18 Ground Panoramic Night Vision Goggles, the Quad Tube Awareness Advantage. Providing 97 degrees of night vision, these expensive goggles give operators unprecedented situational awareness in darkness. A COG Trigicon Advanced Combat Optical Gun Sight. The Combat Proven Optic. This fixed power scope with tritium illumination has guided countless rounds onto target without batteries or adjustments in harsh conditions. EO Tech Holographic Weapon Sight. The Close Quarters King. Its heads-up display and fast target acquisition make it perfect for the dynamic shooting Green Beret's face in compound clearing. Moving on to personal protective equipment. The OpsCore Fast Helmet is the ballistic brain bucket. This lightweight, high-cut helmet provides ballistic protection while allowing room for communications headsets and night vision mounting systems. The Team Wendy Exfil helmet is the Comfort King. Engineered with advanced impact liner technology, this helmet protects against both ballistic threats and traumatic brain injury from blasts and impacts. The Crye Precision Plate Carrier is the low-profile armor. Designed specifically for special operations, this carrier holds ceramic plates to stop rifle rounds while maintaining mobility and allowing rapid equipment access. Point-blank body armor provides proven protection. Level 4 ceramic plates defeat armor-piercing rifle threats, giving Green Berets the confidence to close with the enemy in the most dangerous environments. The Oakley M-Frame ballistic eyewear delivers eye protection and optical clarity. These ballistic-rated glasses protect against shrapnel, debris, and environmental hazards, while preserving the clarity needed for target acquisition. Next, climbing and infiltration equipment. Fast Rope, the vertical insertion tool. This thick braided rope allows operators to rapidly deploy from helicopters hovering over hostile buildings or terrain where landing is not possible. Climbing harness and carabiners, the mountain warfare essentials. When operating in the peaks of Afghanistan or other mountainous terrain, this equipment keeps teams secure during vertical movements. Grappling hook and rope, the wall scaling gear. For covert facility infiltration or scaling obstacles, this classic tool remains essential in the Green Beret toolkit. Rappelling rope and descenders, the controlled descent equipment. Whether fast roping from helicopters or rappelling down cliffs, this gear provides the control needed for safe tactical movements. Moving on to medical equipment. IFAK, the individual first aid kit, the lifesaver pouch. Every operator carries combat gauze, tourniquets, chest seals, and pressure dressings to treat traumatic injuries in the critical minutes before evacuation. CAT, the combat application tourniquet, the hemorrhage stopper. This simple device has saved countless lives by stopping arterial bleeding from extremity wounds sustained in firefights. Halo chest seal, the sucking chest wound fix. When bullets penetrate the chest cavity, these vented seals prevent tension pneumothorax while allowing air to escape. Nasopharyngeal airway, the breathing tube. When casualties lose consciousness, this simple device maintains an open airway until advanced medical care arrives. Combat gauze with hemostatic agent, the bleeding controller. Impregnated with blood-clotting chemicals, this gauze packs into wounds to stop bleeding that tourniquets can't address. Next up, navigation and survival gear. Garmin Fortrex GPS, the wrist navigator. This rugged GPS unit provides precise location data and waypoint navigation, while keeping the operator's hands free for weapons. Silva Compass, the analog backup. When batteries die or electronics fail, this magnetic compass ensures teams can still navigate to extraction points. Map case and waterproof notebook, the mission planner. Detailed maps with overlays and mission notes provide the tactical intelligence needed for complex operations in unfamiliar terrain. Survival kit and emergency rations, the last resort supplies. Compact survival items and high-calorie emergency food keep operators alive when missions extend beyond planned duration. Signal mirror and VS-17 panel, the rescue signals. These simple items make the difference between being spotted by search aircraft and dying in hostile territory. Moving on to water operations equipment. The Zodiac F-470 combat rubber raiding craft is the silent infiltration boat. This inflatable craft lets teams approach targets by water with a minimal noise signature compared to powered vessels. The Draeger rebreather is a closed-circuit scuba system that produces no telltale bubbles. Unlike open-circuit scuba that vents air, this system enables completely covert underwater approaches to targets. The dry suit provides cold water protection, Operating in frigid waters requires full body insulation, and this sealed suit keeps operators warm and mobile in Arctic conditions. Dive knives and cutting tools are essential underwater equipment. From cutting fishing nets to self-defense, these specialized blades remain sharp and functional despite saltwater immersion. Moving on to navigation and survival gear. Ballistic shield, the room entry protection. These portable shields protect point men during building entries, absorbing fire while the team engages threats. Battering ram, the door breaker. When explosive breaching is not appropriate, this simple tool provides the kinetic force needed to smash through locked doors. Tactical ladder, the second-story access. Lightweight, collapsible ladders give teams rapid access to upper floors and rooftops during urban assaults. Rope and grappling hook, the building scaler. For covert facility access, these tools allow silent climbing of exterior walls and fences. Finishing off with edged weapons and tools. Gerber Mark II, the classic fighting knife. This double-edged dagger has been a Green Beret staple for decades, designed specifically for combat, with a spear point for maximum penetration. K-Bar USMC knife, the proven survivor. While USMC issue, many Green Berets carry this legendary fixed blade for its reliability in field use, from combat to camp tasks. SOG Seal Knife, 2000, the maritime specialist. Built to survive saltwater and extreme abuse, this knife serves Green Berets in amphibious and maritime environments, where corrosion destroys lesser blades. Leatherman Moot Tactical Multi-Tool, the operator's toolbox. Purpose-built for military needs, it includes specialized tools for weapons maintenance and field repairs that keep missions running. Tomahawk Tactical Axe, the close quarters backup. More than just tradition, these modern tomahawks serve as breaching tools, defensive weapons, and utility implements in special operations. Entrenching tool, the fighting shovel. This compact folding shovel digs fighting positions, serves as a hand-to-hand weapon, and performs countless utility tasks in the field. Wire cutters and bolt cutters, the obstacle clearers. From cutting through chain link fences to removing padlocks, these tools provide rapid access through physical barriers. If you enjoyed this complete breakdown of the Green Beret arsenal, hit that subscribe button for Loadout Archive. We cover every weapon and vehicle from history's most legendary military units, from the whisper-quiet Scar H to the brutal firepower of the GMV Humvee. These are the tools that turn Green Berets into the world's most versatile operators.